Do you know when a man has some of his weakest moments in life? It's after losing a girl he thought would stick by him forever. A breakup is a time when even the strongest of men display a weakness of will, emotion, and self-control that ends up doing more harm than good. But here's the even bigger problem. From stalking her online to indulging in cheap momentary distractions, everything men do in their weak and emotionally volatile moments only validates the woman in her decision to leave him. I've always believed that you need to see this fact almost as a anathema to your self-respect and masculinity. Now, I want to preface this by saying I only recommend doing this if the two following criteria were met. Number one, the woman was an absolute asshole. And two, you gave 110% in the relationship. Now, whether you decide to take her back or not is completely up to you. But making a woman miss you is more about your closure, peace of mind, and satisfaction than it is about actually getting her back. When you're dealing with a woman who feels good and secure in her decision in leaving you, even when it's unwarranted, is adding insult to your injury. And that's why you need to make sure there's always a tinge of regret she feels for losing you. But for that to happen, you have to first avoid wallowing in your emotions. A lot of men ask, why did she leave me? And I tell them the answer is quite simple. 100% of the time, the answer is because she thought she could do better. That's it. Somewhere along the line, something happened or something was said that made her feel like that she deserved better. The only way to make her regret losing you is to walk away from her unfazed, not feed into her emotions, and continue on the path of becoming an exceptional man, as if she never existed. So here's an open secret about women. They feed off of the emotional highs that you give them. Whether it's stalking her on social media or sending tons of messages of apologies, she enjoys every single second of the emotions you display for her. So here's exactly how to make her regret losing you. Number one, cut off supply. This is sometimes called the no contact rule in dating psychology, and it's exactly as ruthless as it sounds, but it's necessary. Doing this replaces her satisfaction with a high degree of frustration and curiosity. See, women are so used to a man chasing them that when she breaks it off with you, she's expecting for you to break and contact her, whether it be through a phone call, a DM, text message, smoke signal, something. She's looking for something. She's expecting something. It might be difficult at first, but you have to resist the urge and hold your masculine frame. But this is just the start. Number two, become an exceptional man. The most important step to make her regret losing you or want to get back with you is becoming an exceptional and competent man in every single way possible. Look, there's some things in life that just can't be gamed or faked. Like, you have to put the work in, and being a genuinely high quality man is one of them. No woman regrets losing a guy with zero substance. So make sure to always be on your grind to become physically, mentally, and financially stronger every single day. The higher you are on that male hierarchy, the more leverage you have over her due to there being fewer men at that level. So this inherently makes you more valuable. By elevating yourself, you naturally make her reconsider the decision that she made to leave someone of your caliber. Number three, rinse and replace. Now, I'm not one to recommend a man who's already going through a breakup to try and find comfort with another woman, because at the end of the day, all you're doing is running from yourself. But once you have done the work of healing yourself, get back out there and explore your options, because there's something else that comes along with this new elevated version of yourself, and that's options. There's nothing that stings more to a woman than seeing a guy she lost with another woman. The very first thing that she'll try to do is comfort herself with affirmations, but the regret she'll feel inside will eat her up. Now, before you say this is quote unquote playing games, I assure you it's not. This is just basic, raw female nature that I'm being honest with you guys about. There's a well-known and well-proven psychological phenomenon that you'll often see in dating called pre-selection. Women are attracted to guys that other women are attracted to. Women want guys that other women want. In this way, social proof is used by women as a barometer for a man's attractiveness. Several studies indicate that women rate men as attractive 85% of the time when informed that other women have also given him high ratings. So at the end of the day, you can rest assured that your ex is watching and taking notes on all of your moves. The biggest part of making a woman regret losing you is showing her the kind of life she's missing out on and letting the excitement of life help move you on. Focus on the bigger things in life and don't allow yourself to fall off. Give her the chance to chase you by not chasing her. If she comes back at the end of all of it, the ball is in your court. If she doesn't, so what? I mean, the goal is to create unshakable self-confidence and create positives in your life that will far outlive her memories. So until the next video, see you guys later.